ഫസ്റ്റിന് പറഞ്ഞ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് റെസിറ്റേഷൻ പറഞ്ഞ ഒരു പോമാണ് ദ ഫോർസേക്കൻ മേമൻ എന്നാണ് പേര്. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്ന് ഇൻഡിപെൻഡൻസ് ഡേ ആയതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ഇന്ന് ഒരു വീഡിയോ എടുക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി അപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ നേരെ പോവുകയാണ് വീഡിയോ. Good morning everyone, respected judges, teachers and my dear friends. I am here to recite a few lines from the poem The Forsaken Merman by Matthew Arnold. Matthew Arnold is an English poet and cultural critic. Though beats the Skolagi speak, thus is cultural anarchy are some of his notable works. In this poem, The Forsaken Merman, we can see a merman, a mythical being, half human and half fish, standing with his children on the seashore. His wife, Margaret, was from the human world and she has gone to her family for the Easter prayers and she has not returned. So they are in deep agony and the children are crying and they are requesting her to come back. Now the poem. Come, dear children, let's away, down and away below. Now my brothers call from the way, now the great wind showered over. Now the salt tide seaward flow, now the white horses play, champ and chafe and toss in the spray. Children dear, let's away, this way. Call her once before you go. Call once said in a voice that she will know. Margaret, Margaret. Children voices should be dear to a mother's ear. Children voices wild with pain, surely she will come again. Call her once and come again. This way. Mother dear, we cannot stay. The white horses firm and fret. Margaret, Margaret. Come dear children, come maybe down. Call no more. One last look at the white oil town and the misty grey church on the windy shore. Then come down. She will not come though you call all day. Come away, come away. Thank you. അപ്പം ഇത് ഞാൻ പകുതിയെ പഠിച്ചിട്ടുള്ളൂ. കാരണം ഈ പകുതി 5 മിനിറ്റ് കൊണ്ട് പറയേണ്ടതായതുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ കുറച്ചേ പഠിച്ചിട്ടുള്ളൂ.